Hey guys, it's me, Clyde, on the 31st of July, Sunday. Right now we're at Honokohau Harbor. Some boats coming in, some people with a sailboat there jumping up and swimming, and then I just saw some porpoises or dolphins out by that buoy out there. Nice clear waters out here in Kailua Kona. Boats coming in, nice bay and everything. Let me zoom in a little. You can see all right down there, there's a nice beach. I think that's a nude beach right there. Nice sandy area. There's a little beach right there hidden behind that big rock where everybody's swimming. People with a sailboat having a good time, jumping off, swimming and stuff. Some boats coming in. Everybody's coming in from fishing, commercial fishing, marlin, mahi-mahis, whatever. They're all coming in here. Honokohau Harbor, Kailua Kona, Hawaii. Nice sunny day. This side of the island is sunny, but on Hilo side it was pouring rain all the way towards Waimea side. And towards Kauai side it was all rain. As you can see up in the mountain, Mauna Kea, it's all cloudy and rainy. But on Kona side it's always sunny. Dry heat over here. Had to walk through this lava rocks just to get to here. Walk through these rough lava rocks and stuff. Some people coming over here to fish too over there. It's my nephew over there, Henry Laban. Yep, nice waters out here. Today, Sunday the 31st of July, 2011. Out here, Kailua Kona, Honokohau Harbor. Okay guys, I'll give you guys some more updates. When we catch a fish or whatever, I'll film it and stuff. So, catch you guys later. Aloha, shakas. See you guys soon. Clyde right there, signing off. Right there, Henry. Yeah, right there's Henry, my nephew Henry Laban. Right there, sharpshooter, straight out of Iraq. Just came back home several months ago. He was based in Fort Hood, Texas. He just came back, done with the military. Right there's the dolphins. Everybody's clapping and stuff right there, right by the boat. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right by the boat. They're circling around those dolphins. Yep, it's all in the white water right there, the fin sticking out. You can see a whole bunch of dolphins over there. Let me get a closer look. All out there, the dolphins or porpoises. Big school out there. Some nice clear waters. Okay guys, that's it for today. More updates later. Alohas.